Hello, my students. How are you? I hope that all of you are okay. Today, inshallah, we are going to start with Unit 1 in your student book or in your book Action Back Level 810. Level 10. Isn't today, inshallah, we will start with Unit 1. Unit 1 in your Action Back. Your Action Back book. رح نبلش في درسنا الوحدة الأولى من الأكشن باك which talks about what rainforest اللي بتحكي لنا عن rainforest. okay rainforest اللي هي الغابات المطرية. and this is our unit title. But the lesson title is a hidden word. lesson title اللي هو عنوان الدرس a hidden word. okay, a hidden word. It talks about this hidden word. This is what we call it, hidden word. What you are seeing in this picture اللي انتوا عم بتشوفوه بهاي الصورة هذا هو اللي بنحكي له احنا ال hidden word. This is a rainforest or tropical rainforest. okay, so if you look to this picture you will find that all these pictures for what? For rainforest. This is the kind or the shape of rainforest, and you need to know also that it is full of what? It is full of bright and colorful birds, the monkeys, insects, and many other kinds and species of animals and plants. يعني مش بس بالانيمالز، لا في عنا انواع متعدده من البلانتس، النباتات، التريز، السبيتشز اللي هي الانواع من الانيمال سبيتشز، انواع الحيوانات، وممكن نحكي الانسكتس كمان اللي هي ايش الانسكتس اللي هي الحشرات. okay, so today we will talk about this lovely and beautiful hidden word which is endangered. And what do we mean by the word endangered? What do you mean by the word endangered? Endangered means اللي هو ايش؟ مهدد بالانقراض او على وشك الانقراض. اذا احنا اللي بدنا نعرفه يا مس انه when we talk about this tropical rainforest you need to know that this small word, this beautiful forests are, we can say, are in danger. يعني هم في خطر. Why? Because of logging. بسبب التحطيب. So people cut trees there. الناس عم يقطعوا الشجر. So you need to know that these trees are habitat for who? For animals, birds, insects, and so on. So when we cut the trees, we are taking away this habitat from animals and different kind and the species of what? Of insects, birds, animals, and so on. إذا إحنا لما بنقطع هذا الشجر الموجود بالغابة إحنا عم ناخد هذا الموطن وبندمره. We are destroying this habitat. يعني إحنا بندمر هذا الموطن. تمام؟ Look at the picture here. What do you see in the picture? We are seeing what? Or what do we see here? We see different kinds of colorful birds. So these are colorful. Colorful, it means ملون. This is adjective. Colorful birds. طيور ملونة. We have this frog. So we have different kinds of speeches and I will show you some inshallah in next video. So let's see what does our book ask from us. Now listen to the sounds of a rainforest. What can you hear? Let me hear it from here. Where in the word can you find rainforest? Isn't, if I'm going to ask you to listen to the rainforest sound, we are going to listen to the rainforest sound. يعني بدنا نسمع لصوت rainforest. What can you hear? شو بنسمع? Of course, what are we going to hear? We're going to hear lots of voices and sounds. Different kinds of voices, different kinds of sounds for animals, insects, birds, frogs, anything that comes into your mind. أي شيء ممكن يخطر في بالكم انتوا رح تسمعوه in the rainforest. Where in the world can you find rainforest? وين بالعالم أو ببقعة في العالم نقدر نلاقي rainforest فيها. So these answers we are going to answer after reading the paragraph, but for the first question you need to know it's. So for the second question, it is obvious for all of you that where we can find or where can we find the rainforest in equator اللي هو خط الاستواء. So we can find rainforest in equator. Number two, which words refer to creatures that can be found in rainforest? So we have here, if you can take a look in this yellow table, we have different words. So which words can you find or that can be found in the rainforest? So عندنا بعض اللي هو بعض الwords بنلاقيها بالrainforest. Which words are connected to rainforest? To check the meaning of any word you don't know in the activity book glossary. So we have the meanings in the activity book glossary. So we are going to read about the rainforest, a hidden word. So this is our what? This is our lesson title. هذا هو عنوان الدرس. What is the hidden word that the scientists have discovered? Read and listen to the article to find the answer. So what type is our lesson for today? It is an article. It is an article, and this article talks about a hidden word. What is this hidden word that this article talked about? It talks about that hidden word which a group of scientists discovered in Papua New Guinea. So we are going to read about this hidden word. إذن إحنا رح نقرأ عن هذا العالم الخفي, hidden word, paragraph, explain it and have some question on it. Let's start with paragraph number 1. Listen carefully. I'm going to read and explain. The bright colors of birds, the call of monkeys, and the hum of insects are common sights and sounds in a tropical rainforest. Rainforests grow near the equator, where it is always warm and wet, the perfect habitat for plants and animals. In Papua New Guinea, scientists have just discovered a new rainforest. It has existed for many thousands of years at the top of a mountain. It has always been very difficult to reach. Even the people who live on the slopes of Mountain Bozave have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. It's very high up at over 2,500 meters above sea level, and it is hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. In 2009, an international team of scientists visited Mount Bozave and discovered an amazing world of plants and animals there. They discovered many colorful tiny frogs, some unusual species of fish, rare bats and spiders, a kangaroo that looked like a small bear, and a giant rat that was as big as a cat. Altogether, the scientists found more than 40 new species of animals, as well as many rare or new plants. Today, though, this beautiful hidden world is in danger. Logging has already begun in the area. The loggers have already destroyed a lot of trees in the area, but they haven't reached the slopes of Mountain Bozave yet. The scientists hope that their findings can help to protect the area. So the writer started his article by describing what? By describing the rainforest for the readers. إذن الكاتب, the writer of the article, started his article by describing the rainforest for the readers. بلش باستخدام الوصف description أو descriptive beginning. هي عبارة عن descriptive beginning بداية وصفية بيوصف لنا فيها the bright colors of birds الألوان البراقة اللامعة of birds. We all know that birds have lovely colors, beautiful colors. The call of monkeys, even the call of monkeys when they are preceding the sounds or their sounds, like they are calling each other, like they are calling each others. And the hum of insect, and the hum of insect, the hum of insects, that sound of insects يعني هذا الصوت تبع الحشرات اللي انت بتسمعه. For example, you can hear sometimes the voices of what? The voices of insects. So the bright colors of birds, the call of monkeys, and the hum of insects are common sights and sounds in a tropical rainforest. So the writer describe or telling us that these kind of things, the colorful or the bright colors of birds, the colorful birds اللي هي الطيور الملونة, the call of monkeys اللي هي أصوات القردة, monkeys when they are making their sounds like they are calling each other زي كأنهم بينادوا بعض, and the hum of insects أصوات الحشرات لما بتصير تطلع صوت. All these things we call it what? Common sight, يعني مشاهد أو أشياء سهل جدا إنك وين تلاقيها أو تشوفها, and sounds تسمعها وتشوفها وين in tropical rainforest اللي هي بالغابات الاستوائية أو مثل ما بنسميها المطرية. So tropical here معناها استوائي, tropical معناها استوائي. Rainforests grow near the equator. equator الإكواتور اللي هو إيش يا مس؟ اللي هو خط الاستواء. equator where it is always warm and wet. الإت هون على إيش بتعود؟ بتعود على الإكواتور. equator بتعود على خط الاستواء. شو هو اللي دايما إيش؟ where it is always, خط الاستواء دايما بيكون warm and wet. These two words are adjectives. هدول الكلمتين adjectives. warm معناها دافئ, wet مبتل. warm معناها دافئ, wet مبتل. The perfect habitat for plants and animals, which make rainforests as a perfect, which makes rainforest as a perfect habitat for plants and animals. وهذا الاشي انه هي warm and wet بتكون موطن مناسب و perfect بالنسبة لإيش؟ بالنسبة للplants and animals, النباتات والحيوانات. Okay. In Papua New Guinea, scientists have just discovered a new rainforest. إذن in Papua New Guinea, what have scientists just discovered? Scientists اللي احنا قلنا اللي هم العلماء have just discovered يعني توا اكتشفوا شو؟ بمعنى حديثا a new rainforest, غابة مطرية جديدة, a new rainforest. It has, الإت هاي يمين على إيش بتعود؟ على النيو rainforest, بتعود على النيو rainforest. It has existed يعني وجدت هناك أو في هذا المكان for many thousands of years, لآلاف من السنوات, آلاف من السنوات, at the top of a mountain, بأعلى الجبل. This mountain called Mountain Bozave, هذا الجبل اللي موجود فيه هاي rainforest موجود وين؟ موجود بماونتن بوزيف. إذا إحنا حكينا إنه in Papua New Guinea scientists have just discovered a new rainforest and it has existed يعني وجدت هاي rainforest where for many thousands of years at the top of a mountain, كانت في أعلى الجبل. It has always been very difficult to reach. إيش هي الإت بتعود على إيش هون؟ لما أقول لك it has always been very difficult to reach يعني كان دايما من الصعب إنك أنت تصنعه تطلع أو تتسلقه, فالإت بتعود على الماونتن. It has always been very difficult to reach. Even the people who live on the slopes of Mountain Bozave have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. يعني even the people الناس السكان الأصليين original people who live in mountain Bozef على السلوبس اللي هي المنحدرات الجبل slopes of mountain Bozef منحدرات جبل Bozef have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. Rarely هون بمعنى من النادر، من النادر، إذا ما ندر لحتى زاروا إيش؟ زاروا this hidden rainforest. كان من النادر جدا زيارتهم لهاي الغابة المطرية المخفية. Why? Because it is very high up. لأنه هي جدا عالية. It is very high up. فهي at over 2500 meters. هي بحدود 2500 متر above sea level. إذا عندي هون تعلو عن سطح البحر بما يعادل 2500 متر أعلى من سطح البحر بتكون. And it is hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. إذا تخيلوا, can you imagine? They found this beautiful rainforest in a place called what? Mountain Bozef, okay? And this hidden rainforest, it is existed inside, or it is hidden inside a hole of a huge volcano. يعني كانت موجودة بحفرة، حفرة الفولكانو من فوق of a huge volcano. إذن هي حفرة بإيش؟ بفولكانو، بركان كبير جدا. In 2009 CE an international team of scientists visited Mount Bozef and discovered an amazing world of plants and animals there. إذن if I ask you this question, what does the underlined date indicate to you? لو قلت لك شو بيعود هذا التاريخ على إيش؟ An international team of scientists. team حكينا معناها فريق. international عالمي، و scientists اللي هم العلماء. إذا أنا لما بيكون عندي فريق من العلماء العالميين شو عملوا؟ They visited Mount Bozef. They visited Mount Bozef. زاروا عنا جبل Bozef. Visited يعني زاروا. And discovered an amazing. واكتشفوا ماذا؟ An amazing world of plants and animals. واكتشفوا عالم رائع من الحيوانات والنباتات. من الحيوانات والنباتات. Okay, let's continue. They discovered many colorful tiny frogs, some unusual species of fish, rare bats and spiders, a kangaroo that looked like a small pear, and a giant rat that was as big as a cat. So if I ask you the following question here, what kind of animals have the scientists found in this hidden rainforest? شو كانت نوع الحيوانات اللي وجدوها بالماونت بوزيف rainforest؟ بنحكي إنه colorful tiny frogs يعني ضفادع صغيرة وملونة. some unusual species of fish. وبعض إيش؟ بعض الأنواع unusual غير اعتيادية من السمك. rare bats. rare هون adjective معناها نادر. إذن rare bats اللي هي الخفاش أو الخفيش النادرة. and spiders والعناكب كمان. a kangaroo that looked like a small pear and a giant rat that was as big as a cat. So in rainforest, if you have seen a kangaroo, you will find that this kangaroo looked like a small bear. يعني الكانجرو ببين مثل إيش؟ مثل الدب الصغير. and a giant rat اللي هو إيش؟ الجرذ العملاق. وفي فرق ما بين ماوس ورات. ماوس اللي هو الفار، ورات اللي هو الجرذ. رات اللي هو الجرذ. okay. So scientists okay, so the narrator here is talking about a small kangaroo which looks like a pear, and this my scientist or our scientist found more found giant rat that was as big as a cat. كان في جرذ كبير من كتر ضخامته ببين كأنه إيش؟ كأنه cat. all together يعني كلهم معا، أو كل هدول معا كلهم مع بعض. The scientists found more than 40 new species. إذا مش كل هدول اللي احنا حكيناهم that we mentioned before, the spiders, rare bats, unusual species from fish, وأشياء كتيرة. Sorry for this. So all these kinds and speeches that we talked about in the first 3 lines, okay, it's nothing towards what the scientists found. So the scientists found more than 40 new species. 40 new species. 40 هون بمعنى 40, not 14 ولكن هون 40. 40 new species يعني أنواع جديدة من الحيوانات, as well as many rare ما قلنا نادر جدا, new plants, يعني كان يكون عندنا أنواع نادرة الوجود جدا وأنواع جديدة من النباتات. Today though, على الرغم من إنه في هاي الأيام this beautiful hidden word is in danger, على الرغم من إنه هاي the beautiful hidden word is in danger. Why is this beautiful hidden word is in danger? ليش هاي the beautiful hidden word is in danger? Because of logging. Logging وهو إيش؟ اللي هو تجارة أو صناعة الأخشاب. So they cut down the trees and they what did they do? They took it for what? They took it for buildings and these things. All these cuttings, كل هاي القطع للأشجار, cut the trees. It just steals the habitat of animals. هو بيسرق موطن الحيوانات. So logging has already begun, يعني هو من هلأ من زمان مبلش إيش اللوجينج اللي هو التحطيب. In the area, يعني في المنطقة اللي هي قريبة من Rainforest, the loggers اللي هم الحطابين أو قاطعي الأخشاب have already destroyed a lot of trees in the area. يعني already هم دمروا عدد كبير من trees الموجودة بالاريا, but they haven't reached the slopes of Mount Bozave yet. لكن إلى الآن هم ما وصلوا, haven't reached يعني لسه ما وصلوا لسلوبس, منحدرات إيش؟ منحدرات Mount Bozave yet, لأنه مش سهل أبدا. Even as they mentioned in the beginning that even the original people or population in this place Mount Bozave, they rarely visited the hidden word or the hidden rainforest. يعني ما ندر ليزوروا هذا الإشي أو يعرفوا بمكان هاي الرين-فورست. The scientists hope that their findings can help to protect the area. هلأ العلماء, as all scientists, what they want, they just hope that their discoveries اللي هي اكتشافاتهم will help or can help in protecting or to protect the area. Okay. This was our lesson for today, and these are some questions. هذا هو كان درسنا اليوم, وهاي الأسئلة بتجاوبوها, بتكتبوها على الدفتر, تبعتوا لي إياها يوم الاثنين الساعة 12 الظهر. بتكون إجابات الأسئلة عندي على 2:30 بنزل لكم حل الأسئلة إن شاء الله مع حل أسئلة الستودنت بوك. Number 1, what are the common sights and sounds in tropical rainforest? Why is the rainforest always wet and warm? What have the scientists in Papua New Guinea just discovered? For how long has it existed? Why have people who lived on the slopes rarely visited this hidden rainforest? ليش هدول الناس ما ندر لزادوا أو زاروا الرينفورست؟ Let's continue. What does the date 2009 and 9/14 indicate to you? نركز هون 14 وليست 40. إذا هذا التاريخ على إيش بيعود أو شو إله الأوكيجن كانت؟ What did scientists discover in the hidden rainforest? شو اكتشف العلماء بالhidden rainforest اللي هي بالغابة المخفية أو الغابة المطرية المخفية. According to article, a group of scientists discovered an amazing word. يعني استنادا على مقولة مين؟ استنادا على مقولة العلماء، أوكي، أو الارتيكل اللي إحنا فيها. استنادا على مقولة الارticle أو ما ذكر في الارticle. A group of scientists discovered an amazing world of plants and animals in Mount Joseph. مجموعة من العلماء اكتشفوا عالم رائع من النباتات والحيوانات بجبل بوزيف. Number اللي وراه mention the types of animal that was found in the forest. أعطيني أنواع الحيوانات اللي كانت تكون موجودة بالفورست. Last two questions. According to the article, this beautiful hidden word is in danger. Explain why. ليش هذا ال hidden word is in danger. Last question. Find out in the text a noun, a pronoun, common noun, proper noun, and adjective. Thank you so much for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on YouTube, and please press the bell buttons in order to get everything new. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.